Hello and welcome to this video. I want to show you how to get notifications for new users and whenever a user posts a new post. This is what I mean. Each time a new user registers on your website, you are supposed to get a notification. And also, when any new user posts an ad, you also expected to get notifications. Now, to set up this notification, you have to go to your dashboard, settings, and general. There, you check under email address. Whatever email address you have there, you're going to replace it with the new one you want to get notifications. Now, here is something you have to know. The email address doesn't change instantly, so when you change it, then the new address will not become active until you confirm it. So how do you confirm? Let's click, for example, this is the email I want to get all my notifications. When I type that email here, I have to go down to save changes, and after clicking on save changes, this victory doesn't stay. It disappears and the email you have before there will be visible. So for you now to have this new email here, you need to log into this email address and click on a link which will be sent to you. After that, then you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, and after that, your new email will now become active. So it says this address is for admin purposes. If you change this, we will send you an email and a new address to confirm it. The new address will not become active until confirmed. Like I said, when you add a new email address here, before that email address can stay, you have to log into that email, confirm that email, then come back to WordPress and log in again. Then the email can now stay. For those who want to know how it looks like whenever a new user registers and you get a notification, this is what I'm talking about here. Now, this one says new user has been registered on your site. So you get such messages when you have a new user, and also when a user submits an ad, you get a message like this: a new post has been posted. Also, your email has been sent. This is a notification going to you, the admin, telling you that a message has been sent to the user about the ad that the user posted. Actually, this is good because it prompts you or notifies you as soon as a new post is created or posted on your classified ad WordPress site, so that you can quickly go to your dashboard, then go to all posts, and there you can either accept the post or reject the post. So whenever a new user registers on your site and you get a notification, just log in, preview the post like this. Then you can either accept or reject the post. Responding quickly to users' posts will actually make users think and speak good about your site because of your quick and fast response. So in case you're here to implement this on your Classera classified ad WordPress site, kindly do that today, and it's going to help your site to grow fast in no time. Now, this is where I end this video. In case you're here to subscribe, please just do that before you leave. Thank you and have a very nice day.